Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable, cute rainbow backsplash balloon perfect for a unicorn party. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. So this is how I made this adorable backsplash. Super easy to do, and it's perfect for a unicorn party. Basically what you need to do is just have those balloons. Obviously you're gonna take the rainbow colors and then you're gonna glue them together using glue dots, and you're gonna finish the look with the white balloons so that it gives a cloud effect. You guys can add little suns or even a unicorn also, just to give it a little bit more of fullness, or just leave it the way it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.